Are you looking for more protection on the front of your Can-Am Maverick Sport or Trail? Well, SuperATV's got you covered with their heavy-duty front bumper, and today we're going to show you how to get it installed. For the first step, we're going to grab 4 of our drill guide 1s, these right here, and we'll grab our drill guide 2. We'll go ahead and grab 4 of our small bolts. And we're also going to need a tape measure. So what we're going to do, we're going to take one of our bolts, slide them through, and we're going to take our drill guides, let the threads of the bolt come through it, both on the back side of the plate. And we'll go ahead and get a nut started. We just want to loosely start the nut here. And we'll do the same thing for this side. Then we're going to go ahead and take our drill guide. We're just going to go ahead and get it laid up onto the frame here just like this. You can do this by yourself. It is easier if you have somebody to help you, just because there's a lot of moving parts here. But what you want to do is get this lined up on the frame. And take your bolt, stick it through, go ahead and get your nut started. Just want to loosely start everything at this point. And we'll just go ahead and kind of hand tighten everything just so it somewhat stays in place. Then once you have everything kind of mocked up in place, you want to take a measurement from here to the top of here. And it should be in between 5 and 7 inches, depending on where you want to place your bumper at. So we're right at 6 inches there, so we're right in the center. What we're going to do is we're going to make sure that our bracket here is straight. And we'll go through and we'll tighten our hardware up. That way it doesn't want to move on us. So as you can see, we've already drilled our holes. This machine's previously had a bumper on it. But what we're going to do is take our bumper and line it up. Just slide it right into position here. And just look at it. You know, whenever you have the bumper up here, just make sure that's the location that you're going to want it. You know, like I said, anywhere between that 5 and 7 inch range. You can get it up a little bit higher, a little bit lower. This one right here is set up exactly for what we want. So if you have yours exactly where you want it, what you're gonna do is, you're gonna get a paint marker, and you're just gonna reach through these holes here, and you're just gonna mark the center of each of your holes. And like I said, our holes are already drilled. So we can look, that's lined up, all of our holes are lined up good. So now we're going to show you what you need to do to drill your holes out. So at this point, you should have all of your holes marked. Grab our drill guides, and we'd pretend like this hole right here was marked like it would be on your machine. We'll line the center of that hole up with the drill guide here. We'll take our hardware. So once we have it started, we'll just go ahead and tighten them up here. And then repeat all these same steps for the rest of your holes. Once all your guides are in place, you're going to want to get a drill bit big enough for an 8mm bolt to slide through the hole. Then you'll just want to drill the hole straight through. So once you have all of your holes drilled, then we're going to go ahead and remove all of our drill guides except for this one right here. We'll leave this one on. So for the next step, we're going to go ahead and grab our bumper. We're going to grab 2 of our M8 bolts and 2 of our curved washers, 2 of our nylocks for now. So we went ahead and left our drill guide on here. We left our drill guide on here so we can just take our bumper, and it's going to help us hold everything in place. It makes it so much easier. So we'll start down here on the bottom, slide a bolt through, then get our curved washer into position. that slid in position. Put a curved washer on the back side once we get our bolt through. Just like that. Then we'll go ahead and start our nut. Then we'll just repeat these same steps for the rest of our holes. So the next thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and remove your drill guide. Then go through, fully tighten your hardware, and that's how super easy it is to install SuperATV's front bumper on this Can-Am Maverick Sport. For more information on this bumper or any of SuperATV's great products, feel free to give us a call at 855-743-3427 or check us out online at superatv.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.